I'm not taking a picture.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
That's Elmo.
That's Grover. Emma Grover. Emma Grover.
Grover, where do you see Grover?
That's the kid. That's the Grover. Now that's the Grover.
Is that read a little more to Sarah. She's waiting. Oh, she's waiting for more. Look, she's looking for you. Are we going to take you to the swimming pool in the summer?
Yes.
Maria, keep reading. She's looking for you. Look. Tell her what's on the page.
Wolf and Grover and Cadabby.
And Abby-Cadabby?
Yeah.
And what are they doing? Uh-oh, she needs more reading. You're such a good reader, Maria.
No picture.
No, I'm not taking a picture. I'm not taking a picture. Uh-oh, she wants more. Oh, Maria, you're such a good big sister. Turn the page and read her the next page. Do you want to make nice to Sarah? Oh. Tell Sarah what's on the page. Where's Elmo? There he is. He's in the swimming pool. She's looking for you again. Wow, Maria. You are so good, kiddo. Are you going to read her that page? Darling, Maria's reading in the book. Those are the bubbles, you're right.